Hello friends, you all definitely want a substantial daily income. To make this dream come true, ADUSDT Bank has come up with a great plan that will generate a substantial daily income for you. So let's see what ADUSDT Bank is and how it generates income. ADUSDT Bank basically works on Binance. Why choose ADUSDT Bank? 100% decentralized, 100% blockchain based, 100% open source code, 100% distribution plan. No admin, no owner, 100% transparency. Stable coin price. Risk free, liability free, scam free, low entry fee, long life plan, legal. Binance blockchain structure. BNB Beacon Chain, BNB Smart Chain, BSC, BNB Smart Chain, BEP20. Why join ADUSDT Bank? It is a decentralized plan. You can see that many features have been given. Wallet connectivity. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, SafePal, we are connected with all of these. You can see how the auto tree setup works here. You can join for just $15. Types of income. 100% distribution, 100% referral income, 20% package bonus, 60% level income, 10% dividend bonus, 5% royalty income, 5% reward fund. You can earn unlimited income by referring. Upgrade bonus 20% on every package upgrade from every direct sponsor. Level income. 60% of every package value will be equally distributed up to 15 level. To get income from 15 level, 1 direct is required at every level, means total 15 direct required. Packages. When you join with $5, your limit is $15. If you earn $15, then the income that comes after this will go into the hall, and as soon as you purchase a package of $10, your income limit will become per dollar and your whole income will come completely into your wallet. In this way, if you have taken a package of $10 and anyone in your entire team purchases any package up to level 15, then you will get the full income. It is not that you will get the income of only the package in which you are. Your limit will keep increasing gradually and your whole income will keep coming to you. You can also see this package. This package also works the same way. Total level income $214,794,232. Dividend bonus 10% will be withdrawn from each package, 10% will be withdrawn from all the packages that have been updated, and after withdrawal it will be distributed up to $5 among those who have not done any work. Royalty income 5%. Royalty income. If you are a mentor and have 5 direct ambassadors, you will earn 1% royalty income up to $320. If you are at the director rank and have 5 direct mentors, your 1% royalty income will be up to $1,280. If you are at the icon rank and have 7 direct mentors, you will earn 1% royalty income up to $5,720. If you are at the Emperor rank and have 9 direct mentors, your 1% royalty income will be up to $20,480. And if you are at the Creator rank and have 12 direct mentors, your 1% royalty income will be up to $163,840. Rewards 5%. Bike fund $2,500. Self-rank champion. Team 5 direct with mentor rank. 1% of reward fund equally distributed monthly to achievers up to $2,500. Car fund $25,000. Self-rank Titan. Team 4 direct with director rank. 1% of reward fund equally distributed monthly to achievers up to $25,000. Luxury car fund $50,000. Self-rank Legend. Team 4 direct with icon rank. 1% of reward fund equally distributed monthly to achievers up to $5,000. House fund $120,000. Self-rank Conqueror. Team 4 direct with Emperor rank. 1% of reward fund equally distributed monthly to achievers up to $120,000. Bungalow fund $700,000. Self-rank Creator. Team 15 direct with Chancellor rank. 1% of reward fund equally distributed monthly to achievers up to $700,000. Please contact those who referred you to this video. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end.